Hey guys, welcome back. Here's our wheel account. It's Wednesday, December 16th. It's a $10,000 account we are doing the wheel with, and I'm just practicing different strategies with the wheel. So far, I've kind of tried to find high IV stocks and tried to sell puts that seemed like safe prices, and also on stocks that I wouldn't mind owning in this if we had to hold it for a bit. I followed that rule except for BCLI, which was a penny stock biopharmaceutical biotech company, and so we're still kind of climbing out of this one. But besides that, all the other ones have been kind of following that rule. And today I'm thinking maybe I'll change up the strategy a little bit. Still doing the wheel, but instead of just looking for high IV, which I think I should, I think that's a good idea. But I think I'll do more, I'll just look for more bullish plays and then have more aggressive strike prices. So basically what that means, I'll give you an example today and how it worked with DraftKings. Typically, if this had super high V, which it wouldn't when it's doing this, you're trading pretty much sideways. I would say, okay, let's do a 44 strike just in case it plummets. You know, here's support. We'll sell a put. If there's enough premium, we'll sell one right here. And not really concerned too much. I mean, concerned with the momentum, like kind of where I think it's going, but not just looking for bullish patterns. And today and other times we've done this, when I've sold a put and the stock's gone up pretty quickly, that put loses value so fast that I think that's kind of what I want to shift into a little bit or try it more. Because of this, if I show you, and you've noticed it with other ones too. So today we had a DraftKings put that expired on the 18th, same as this one. It was for a 45 strike. So I don't know if you remember that, but let's actually look at more history. It's not the history. Come on. What? Stop it. Yeah, let's see if we can figure it out in text message form. Thanks, Robinhood, for this. Not really. Okay, so we sold the put on DraftKings for $45 strike. Jeez, this is insane. And basically it lost all its value. So I was gonna buy it back, but I had to buy it back for $5 because $5 increments because Robinhood sucks. I didn't want to, but then I decided, okay, yeah, I'll just roll the thing up. So the $45 credit we got right here, it was basically worthless. So to roll it up, I closed this one and opened another one with a higher strike. This one had a $45 strike that expired on Friday. I was like, I'm gonna bring this thing up and just see what premium we can get on different options. And then here you can see where it happened. You order to sell to open. Okay, so that was opening up the first one. Okay, and then I had to change the strike because it wouldn't fill me because all the slippage and because Robinhood sucks. Minimum. Okay, finally, woohoo. Okay, so this is what happened. I closed the first one. I'm sure I had to pay the $5 to close it, and then I opened up another one at 35. It really should have been 45, but basically it opened up the higher strike. Doesn't even say on here the other strike, does it? It just says 2 option strategy. Doesn't know about rolling up. Doesn't know about that. You don't know about that, Robinhood? Don't understand how that works. Okay, I'll just act like I'm doing it again. So basically on the put side, same date, we have this put that we sold. So before that one, I had -1 here on the 45. See how it's only 0.01, so it's worthless. So I bought to close, so I bought it, and then I went to sell a put, and I went up here to one that gave me some more premium, and I looked on the chart and thought, you know, if DraftKings, if I really am bullish on this, I'll get more aggressive with my strike, and I'll do a 49. Given if I own shares, I like to be cheaper, but I'm like 49 is a pretty good support, it seems like. And I think this thing's going up. It had good news of them partnering with Incom to launch gift cards. The news is right up here. They don't have gift cards, and this thing went on a tear today. But not crazy, only 6%. And I bought it, or I did this option play probably right about here. So it kept going up, the share, so the puts lost value quick. So yeah, that's basically what I did. Because of Robinhood and the slippage and that sort of thing, and the spreads and all that, it wasn't great, but I'll show you the amount we made. It was sick. So if I was to do it again, here's the one we sold. Tomorrow was like, this thing's gonna keep going up. I mean, I wouldn't do this, but this is basically what you would do if you were. I'd buy this one back and I'd sell, say, a 51. And then we're gonna get a credit, another credit of 15 cents, right? Which is $15 because it's 100 shares. So that's what you would do. And that actually might not be a bad play. You could just chase the things going up, rolling up puts. I don't know. Do any of you guys doing the wheel? Do you do this? I know I was gonna do it on the downside. If it keeps going down, it's in the money, I'll just do it. But on the upside to chase the I mean, I don't know. What I've done is once they've lost their value, I've just closed them and looked for another play. But if I don't know. So I might start doing it that way a little bit. This one I almost did it on, but when I looked at it, it wasn't as high as it is now. But maybe tomorrow I'll roll this up. It'll only be 1 day expiration, but I'm gonna start looking for just basically bullish patterns, I think, on stocks that I look at that have somewhat IV. But even if they don't, I'll just have a more aggressive strike. And if everything's going right, then it'll be better. Because I think that's definitely a faster way. As you look at this. We made $32 just on this put today because DraftKings went up. This was the one I transferred to. So it was a 45, which we weren't going to make any more money on it for the next 2 days. But then we rolled it up to a $49 strike and received $40 more credit. And we're already 80% of that. So literally I could have closed this out and rolled it up again. Wow. So I guess this is still the wheel. It's just doing a lot of rolling. But I don't know. Today it definitely worked out because I picked one that DraftKings, which went up a lot. So that's where we're getting the $30 gain from. Otherwise, we would have just been up, I don't know, $10 maybe. So yeah, that's kind of the new thing on the wheel that I might start trying. It makes a lot of sense to do it when it's going in your favor. If it's going down and against your favor, to roll it down, like that makes sense to kind of not have to get exercised and own the shares. But doing it up, I mean, that's pretty sick. I like it. So that's where this wheel account's at. It is Wednesday, so we've got 2 more days till expiration on these. Like I said, this one I might try and, so what I would do, I think actually I looked at this one, it didn't have as many options, and that's why I didn't do it. Yeah, because this one has a 35, and at the point when I was looking at this 35 was actually out of the money, which is pretty aggressive. But now you could say, okay, this is, or it was in the money rather. Now it's out of the money, so you get $20 more credit if you think Corsair is going to stay above 35, which I'm not sure. Man, very bullish today. Holy smokes! Looks all just on the hourly, it's all green candles. Wow. Glad I bought 10 more shares in the long term. Check out that video if you haven't. It's overbought in the hourly though, so it'll probably settle down tomorrow. I don't know, 35. Yeah, I could honestly roll this thing up tomorrow with full confidence. Wow. On the daily, it's, yeah. Whew. I should probably put more of this in the long term. Maybe tomorrow I will. But yeah, I think I can roll this thing up tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have that same premium. Maybe you'll let me do it right now. Probably not, because it's Robinhood. Let's see. So that's all I would do. I don't know if sure. Yeah, it's because the market's closed, I think. But yeah, I mean, that'd be nice. Another $29 of credit, because right now on this Corsair, we're not going to make, well, I guess we'll make $6 more, but might as well get 29. I'm going to start getting this shot. I'm going to see how it goes. It's definitely more active. It's more work, but that's partially because I'm getting these short-term options. These are only 2 weeks. If I got like a month out, then I could do a lot more rolling. If the stock really goes up and that put, I could roll that put price up. But to me, that feels more risky because it has more time to drop down, but I don't know. Yeah, Corsair is looking good. Anyways, that's our wheel account. That's what we're doing. BCLI, again, we can't do a cover call on this because there's no more premium. Wah, wah, wah. Gotta wait till it shoots up, and then we could do this one, but I'm gonna wait. Too soon, Junior. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money, happy money, so to stick around. Let me know what you guys are doing in the wheel account. What stocks are you using? And what strategy do you use? Do you do 0.20 delta, 0.30 delta? Is that how you do it? If you're going to sell a covered call on this, would you not look at your average cost of 21? Say I'm going to sell it here. Would you look at, oh, what's the delta? I need 0.30 delta for the covered call like this one. Would you just do that one no matter what? These are the things I'm curious about what other people are doing. So now this put, or this covered call I sold, it's now, I actually rolled this one. Wait, no, I didn't roll this up. I did. No, I didn't roll it up. The other one expired, kept the premium, and it was, Rocket was ripping up. So I sold higher strike than our cost, because our cost was in the money at that point, and I wanted some extrinsic value, so I sold it out of the money, if that makes sense. But I think we're still going to get exercised, which is good. We don't need to keep these shares. We'll see, though. Rocket might come back down. I'm ranting. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace out.